What's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome to this video. And today I'm going to teach you how to start making money from home, part-time, online, whether you want to travel the world, supplement your income, or you want to quit your job. This is the video for you. As you can see here, yesterday I did $4,000. And if we go to payments over here in my Stripe account, you can see the list of payments. If I just filter by, let's see, let's go to status is successful, click done, and you can see 1/18/2019, $1,000 payment here, 1/18/2019, $500 here, $1,000 here, $500 here, $1,000 here, all in one day. And if we continue to go down, you can see $25 payments, $1,000 payments, $100 payments, so on and so forth. So this is a process and a system that's worked extremely well for me. And I'm going to reveal that system and process to you today. So to show you guys that this is in fact legit and real, I just showed you my Stripe account. Let's go ahead and type in the time and date as well. You guys can see that it's in fact, 7:59 a.m. on Saturday, January 19th, 2019. Okay. I got started with this campaign back on November 20th, 2018. So it's been almost exactly 2 months to the day that I started this campaign. So if I jump over here to my YouTube channel, you can actually see that the first video that I released of this case study series was back on November 20th. So we'll go ahead and click that here. I don't know why it says 1 month still. It should be about 2 months. But November 20th, 2018, this was published on. And so let's go ahead and let's show you the other results. So in total, right, I showed you for the day of yesterday, we did approximately $4,000, and I showed you some other income from previous days. But let's talk about overall how much we've made roughly. I'm not going to add up all these figures for you. You can feel free to do that. I don't want to bore you with that because I want to get into the juicy stuff, the content. But here's the first income stream, and this income stream happened to make me the most money. I've done $47,950 since November 20th. In this specific income stream. And what's so cool about it, it's called Easy One Up, okay? And it's full of digital marketing educational products that you can purchase and use to educate yourself. And also you can relicense these products to sell and promote to other people. And I actually use a systematic process to do that. But let's talk a little bit more about the products that are within Easy One Up. And before we do, real quick, you can see that the leaderboards here at Easy One Up, I'm the #1 income earner, which is kind of cool. Got to brag a little bit, right? Because you guys are listening to somebody that actually knows what the heck they're talking about. And I not only talk the talk, but of course I walk the walk too. So the past 30 days, #1 income earner for all the programs within Easy One Up. Last 3 months, haven't even been in this specific income stream for the past 3 months, but I'm already at #4, which is really awesome. The past 6 months, we're at #10, and the last year, we're already at #15. And this is promoting Easy One Up for only the past 2 months and using and leveraging the system and the process I'm going to show you here in just a second, okay? So let's talk really quickly about Easy One Up. The different product levels. You obviously understand that it's a digital marketing educational company. And you can feel free to click the link below in the description at any time. This will go in more detail. I'm just going to kind of skim through this sort of presentation quickly because I have a video that explains it in a little bit more detail, but I'm sure this should be enough for you. So you've got different levels that range anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000, okay? And each of these different levels are going to provide you with a different level of education. Okay, so in the $25 level and the elevation level, you're going to learn the basics of affiliate marketing and network marketing. And then you can actually pay to relicense these products and resell them to other people. And what's really cool about it is you earn 100% commissions. Yes, you get 100% of the money, which is one of the big reasons why I've been promoting this, not just because the educational value, but obviously because you make great money. You should always look for a program and a product that's going to pay you the most for the work that you put in. So if you find yourself spinning your wheels, maybe you've tried to make money online and you're blogging, you're doing Facebook ads, you're doing a bunch of different things, and you're only making maybe a few hundred or a few $1,000s a month, which, hey, isn't too bad. But if you want full leverage, you want full automation and more freedom, then you want to have a systematic process that not just sells small ticket products for you, but also high ticket products. So you can spend more on advertising so you can scale up and also keep most of the money, okay? So that's one of the first things I learned in my online business was I need to promote products that are gonna give me leverage. And you can take one customer that might spend $25 and you can turn them into a $2,000 customer without any extra work whatsoever because you're setting them through a process. Not when they're just buying one product, but they're buying other products too as well. Okay, so that's the elevation level. You also have the elevation elite level that's $100. And this goes into more about traffic generation, as you can see right here. And then you have the Vertex level, which is $250. This goes deeper, kind of a deeper dive into affiliate marketing and building a list. Your list is going to be your biggest asset. Okay, people can take away social media networks like YouTube and Facebook and you're following there, but no one can take your list from you. So the Vertex level teaches you all about building a lucrative list and a lot more there. The Vertex Elite level is $500. Talks a little bit more about traffic generation and free traffic. I've actually built a multiple six-figure yearly business off of 100% free traffic, and I've generated over $3 million using and leveraging free traffic strategies like YouTube right here. Then you have the Vertex Pro Connect, which is $1,000. This goes into even more free marketing and paid marketing strategies. You got Instagram marketing using Tumblr, US free ads, traffic exchanges, Facebook remarketing. So even more about traffic, because traffic, guys, is the lifeblood of your business. And by the way, whatever level you come in at, you're going to get access to every level beneath it. For example, if you come in at the Vertex Elite level and you pay $500, you're going to get everything beneath that. But if you decide to go to the Vertex Elite level and then upgrade to the Connect, you're not going to pay an extra $500. You're going to have to pay the full $1,000 to upgrade to Vertex Pro Connect. Okay, I just want to make that clear. So whatever level you're at, you're qualified to earn commissions on that level and every level underneath that level. So I'm obviously upgraded at the highest level, which is the Vertex Live level. Whatever I promote, whatever I get involved in, I go all in with it because people will typically do what you do as a leader, as somebody that has authority. When you have somebody come inside of your business, they're going to come to you. They're going to ask you, okay, Josh, what level did you join in at? I'm going to say the $2,000 level. And they're more likely going to think, okay, well, if he joined at that level, there must be some value in that level. There must be a reason because he's obviously successful. He's making money, so I'm going to join at that level too. So it's not just for the educational value, but it's also because you're going to be able to demand more money from other people and be in more of an authoritative position. It just shows that you're serious about your business. So you have the Vertex Live level where you get invited to events. And these are free events that you get access to. Of course, you can bring an extra person for about $295. Goes deeper into other ways to make money online. So not just affiliate marketing or network marketing, but CPA marketing, drop shipping, right? Amazon affiliates, stuff like that. So the Vertex Live is going to allow you to make $2,000 commissions, and then you get paid on all the other levels below that. So really, really cool there. This is why this is my #1 money maker and why I've been able to earn, roughly right around $48,000. If we go back to the dashboard here and refresh, almost $48,000 in a matter of 2 months. So that's almost $1,000 a day just in one specific income stream. So we've got lots of cool bonuses if you join anywhere between the Vertex Elite level and the Vertex Live level. And I explain that in a lot more detail on this page right here. So if you click the link below, it'll take you to this page where you'll learn a little bit more about the bonuses, Easy One Up, and the different product levels. But there's insane value in this. You get access to our traffic rotator, which is pretty dang cool. We actually send you traffic and leads so you can get jump started in your business from day one, which is really awesome. So we also have another system that's known as the FunnelX ROI system. And this system has actually helped me in conjunction with offering my bonuses that you're going to be able to relicense and offer to your team as well. So this is the actual system known as FunnelX ROI. So this is a bonus that you'll get access to for signing up on my team in Easy One Up. And this system is actually going to help you promote and sell FunnelX ROI without you having to do any of the work whatsoever. All you need to do, all you need to worry about, okay, don't complicate this, is you just need to send traffic through the front door of the funnel, okay? When you send traffic to the FunnelX ROI system, what it's going to do is it's going to sell Easy One Up for you. It's also going to sell other income streams for you, and I'm going to show you exactly what those income streams are, okay? So let me go ahead and show you how much I've made from these different income streams. So here's one income stream, and I've made $1,836.70 extra. So this is just all extra money here. This is AWeber. This is a brand new income stream that FunnelX ROI just added. And I've made $182.50. This is without rebills. So you can see people are signing up every single day. But a lot of these people have a 30-day trial. So you'll see this number drastically change over time. The next income stream, $1,361 in this income stream. The next income stream, $8,093 pending, and I've already been paid $1,342.50. So right around $9,300 in this income stream. For some reason, this last income stream would not, it's inactive right now as far as being able to get access to the members area because they're doing some maintenance. But take my word for it, I've done right around $2,700 or so in this income stream last time I checked. So if you want to get access to this FunnelX ROI system, you want to get access to Easy One Up. What you're going to do is you're going to click the link below. It's going to take you to this bonus page right here. Okay, you'll read more about the bonuses you get access to. You can feel free to watch these videos too. You'll sign up for Easy One Up, and depending the level that you come in at, you'll get access to these bonuses right here. So make sure you go to this page, you read a little bit more. Once you get access to Easy One Up, you'll be receiving an email so you can get access to the FunnelX ROI system. So you can plug in all the income streams and you can maximize your commissions, right? So it's like going to McDonald's. And this is the best way that I illustrate it. You go to the McDonald's, and McDonald's, they will sell you a burger on the front end, right? Typically, most people go to McDonald's to get a burger. So hypothetically speaking, you go, you purchase the burger, and then they say, would you like to supersize that? Would you like fries with that? Would you like to put that in a combo meal? Because McDonald's doesn't make money off the burger. They might make like 25 cents or so. But what they really make the big money on is the upgrades. Okay, that's how they're so profitable. And you want that in your online business too. So we don't just want access to the Easy One Up income stream, but we want to be able to get access to a system that will sell Easy One Up in all these different income streams for us that are complementary. So since all these different programs are based around helping you start an online business, this system sells tools, training, and resources that are all about building an online business. So it's complementary. You're not going to sell, prepaid cell phone cards with a hamburger because they're just not related. That's why you offer fries and the drink, right? So in this case, digital marketing education, software that's going to help them automate their business, their online business, so on and so forth. So it's all complementary. So if you want to get access to this system, You want to start earning those big commissions. And again, this is no guarantee that you're going to get the results that I've gotten. I'm consistent. I put in anywhere between 1 to 2 hours a day into my business. This doesn't require any experience, but if you're willing to put in the work, you can follow directions. You can be patient with the process. You can treat this like a business. You can definitely do this too. So click the link in the description. Get access to the Easy One Up system, all the bonuses, the Funnel X ROI system, and everything else explained on this page. And man, I cannot wait to see you on the inside. Take care. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment if you got value from this video, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.